How to safely handle borax decahydrate. Join us as we explore the safe handling of borax decahydrate. This informative video covers everything you need to know, from safety precautions to effective usage tips. We'll help you understand how to work with this compound responsibly, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. Hashtag chemical safety, hashtag borax decahydrate, hashtag home projects. Personal protective equipment, PPE gloves, wear nitrile or latex gloves. Eye protection, use safety goggles. Mask, consider a dust mask for larger quantities. Prepare your workspace, ventilation, work in a well-ventilated area. Clean surface, ensure the work surface is clean. Handling, minimize dust, handle gently to avoid dust, dampen if necessary. Avoid ingestion, do not eat, drink, or smoke while handling. Storage, sealed container, store in a tightly sealed, labeled container. Disposal, local regulations, dispose of according to local hazardous waste guidelines. First aid, skin contact, wash with soap and water. Eye contact, rinse with water for 15 minutes and seek medical attention. Inhalation, move to fresh air if inhaled, seek medical help if needed. By following these steps, you can safely handle borax decahydrate while minimizing risks.